What professional services does in working with business development and then specifically higher education is it helped create a standard template within Designer for them.
So our first project with the professional services was actually 27 rooms, but leveraging that same core program in multiple different types of spaces. And the rollout actually went very well. It was a seamless process, a seamless experience. We had spaces ready to go before schedule with very little modifications necessary.
We're here to help support the higher education entity. We're trying to create greater outcomes for students. And additionally, for the professors, they need to be easy for them so they can come in and do what they need to do.
I initially reached out to them just from the standpoint of what that number would look like to assist us with doing an initial program. And what we determined to do was, instead of having professional services program our spaces, we really settled on kind of using them as a high-end training program for two of my team in particular, who worked hand in hand with them for several weeks on best practices of deployment, on customizing designs, on building scalable templates that can be used all over campus, from the smallest spaces to the largest spaces, so that fundamentally we have one core program that can be modified depending on the needs of the space.
We really got a hands-on experience with the template that they designed for us, and that template as a whole has just been spread throughout campus.
I think the most valuable part of working with professional services was the best practices in deployment and troubleshooting and modifying of those templates. What we learned in just a couple of weeks would have ordinarily been something that you would have to do a huge number of projects to come to those things through trial and error, and to kind of be given that leg up to start from a position of knowledge and a position of strength, rolling out large projects on a big scale has set us up for success for years to come.